Okay, I'm still within the limits before this expired. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I will be doing a recipe from this coupon. Change it up a little bit. Now I got some coupons. This is from DQ. It stands for Dairy Queen, in case y'all didn't know. And they have a couple of items, and I said I'm gonna choose something from here. Now they got tenders, they got a burger, they got smoothies, ice cream, cake, you name it. I'm not making any of those. But what did catch my eye and what was simple, not the tenders and the fries, the drink. I think this is the one with pineapple and lemonade with vanilla ice cream. It also have tahini in it. Now I guess she did something close. I had the ice cream with tahini and it was lemonade and pineapple, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know if you remember what ice cream place I got it from. I think that was just more of a hit right there. This other one right here, this don't have ice cream. It's just regular pineapple and lemonade with tahini. So I said, you know what I'm gonna do? Since I already had the one with the ice cream in it, and the other one is kind of like just too plain. What I'm gonna do is do this, but instead of putting ice cream in it like this, I'm gonna just top it off with whipped cream, and then, you know, sprinkle it with the tahini. Simple, ain't it? So yeah, let's get started. Let's get it started. Alright, so this is lemonade. I had a little bit, had ice and it melted, so it got diluted. So I just pretty much had a lemon and I cut it and I squeezed it in there to let the lemon taste be more profound. And y'all like, okay, yogurt. You got your, this is not yogurt. In my household, you're gonna see different things in different places. And this is one of them. This is actually crushed pineapples and the juice. I'm gonna be using that. My whipped cream and my tahini. I think they put tahini at the bottom of it. I guess I could do that. Here you go, trying to switch the recipe. Well, I have switched up a little bit. Go ahead and put the tahini. And put a little ice in here. I don't like how that ice smells. That's why I want to live. If y'all know, you know. If you don't, then you just don't. I'm pouring some of my lemonade juice. Alright, now I'm putting some of the pineapple. Top it off with some more whipped cream. So now they put the juice on there. And some more tahini. I tell you, this thing was so simple. Yeah, quick and easy. Tasting the pineapple and the lemonade. I'm not really getting to the tahini yet. Now I'm tasting it mainly at the top of it. The bottom, I didn't put as much, but if you want to taste more, then go ahead, but it's still good. Now if you want the original one, like I told you, the other option is with the vanilla ice cream, and then the other is without the vanilla ice cream. You can go ahead and do that, but like I said, I had that at another, they actually had a little bit more. It was so good. Tahini on the dessert, I was gonna hit. I like the creaminess of the whipped cream, but if you know, if you put ice cream in it, it's close to the same. Now, due to the fact that it's good, and I made it at home, it's 10 out of that, baby. How, if I was to buy DQ, how much is this? I just say free any size with the purchase of another one. So in order to get one free, you get it. Okay, so how much is the other one? Usually GQ is not as cheap like that. Okay, with the shake, I see 2 for $5. Why you got the price on that one, but you ain't got the price on this Colada? I want to know how much it is. It really don't matter. Make this at home. Save the money in your pocket. Make it at home. You like sweets? Lemonade, pineapple. You like tahini. You like spice on your sweets. It's the 4, not the 3. Because I use 4 items in here. Well, 5 if you count the ice.